Hi all, this is Afzal, an enterprise architect and data engineering leader. In this video, I'm going to explain how you are going to implement constant in the Python. So what is constant and what is variable and why we call constant variable? There are two types of variable. One is variable, means value is keep on changing. But in an opposite direction, constant variable value will never change throughout the execution of the program. That's the reason here I am just giving a explanation. A variable with a value that remain constant during program execution is known as a constant variable. Hope you understand the definition of constant. If you have a further any query, write in the comment. I will try to answer you. To implement constant is a little bit different in the Python. You need to install a package of pconst and then you will need to implement. I'll show you in the code how exactly the constant need to be implemented. Let's jump to the code. Okay, so the very first thing is always remember constant file should be separate. You cannot mix constant with the same file, otherwise your code readability, code maintainability is not appropriate. That's the reason I've created a constant file here as a constant name, but you can give appropriate constant name based on your project. Okay, and already I've explained you need to install pconst as a package, and then you need to import it and give the name. Okay, and these are the constant I'm creating. Many time I'm taking this example of name, age, sex. There are many scenarios where you need to create the constant, and all the project the constant will be consistent. Okay, if you change here entire project, the variable will be changed. It's very good for maintainability. Okay, and come to the next Python script where I'm implementing this constant. Let's come here, import your constant file, and I'm just printing here so that you can see the text which is available. Okay, you see the name is coming, and what you have to do, cust and the constant and give the variable name. That's way you need to use it. Okay, now let's come to the interesting point. Let's open now and see what it is giving. This is this one. Okay, I'm just giving junk value or give new name. Okay, and run it. See, it should give error. Okay, so it's start giving error. It cannot be modified, it not editable. Okay, now come to the interesting point. Come here and remove this. Okay, and remove this, remove this, remove this. Come here and remove this, remove this, and again we will run. Now you see things are changed. If you don't import the package and just create a constant, then it is not right. Exactly, you're not implementing the constant. It's just what I will say, that fooling ourselves that I have a constant, but exactly that is not the constant. Hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for upcoming lot of coding video. I'm going to share my all experience, how the best practices of the code can be implemented in the project. Happy coding.